In this video, I want to show you the Clever Fox Planner Pro Planner, and I am so excited to open this up. This is an incredible planner that I just recently discovered, and I don't think I will go back. I don't think I will be using some of the past planners I have reviewed on my channel because this one does so many things that I've never even found in one place before. Hi, I'm Amber with Solutions for Simplicity. If you are new, big welcome. This channel is about helping you live a simpler, more purposeful, and productive life. So I regularly share tips on planning, prioritizing, productivity, time management, and work-life balance. Please subscribe if you are new. And now to jump into this review, this planner is just, again, something I recently found and looks amazing. So I'm super excited that this is the planner I will be using for 2021. I have made past videos on a variety of other kinds of planners, and as with those videos, this is not sponsored. This is entirely my honest opinion, but I am so excited. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and walk you through all the amazing things that this planner contains. Okay, so I just pulled it out of the package and you can see that it comes with this book on how to use it, which I will go through in a second, and then it comes bubble wrapped. Now, this planner was in 17 different colors on Amazon. I will link some options for you below. I chose the pearl color that is this really pretty kind of gold glossy cover, and yeah, it's just super exciting to open this up. So give me a second, I gotta get some scissors and cut this open so we can delve inside. So right off the bat, one of the things I want to point out is that this is an undated planner. And so some people like undated planners. I do, because sometimes I get, into really big planning modes and I get a lot of things done and then I take a little break. And so it's nice to be able to come back and you still can use this space when it works for you, right? It doesn't matter if you skip a week or a month, you can come back and use it whenever works. I've previously reviewed the High Performance Planner, which is also undated, and I love using that one on a daily basis to do things like set my intentions and plan out some goals, but the price of that planner is a lot more expensive than this one when you consider that this is a whole year planner and it costs about $36.99. Whereas the High Performance Planner is about $20 to $25 and it only runs 60 days. It's super beautiful. I think it looks so stylish and professional and totally my color. But again, they had 17 different colors to choose from. The binding is really soft and shiny and it's pretty flexible, but yet also very sturdy and durable. So this one, I'm super excited. It does a lot of things that the other planners I have reviewed do not, and that's what I want to show you now. One of the things I love is that this planner has an elastic strap so you can keep loose papers or other things safe inside. You open it up and the first page is that you get to write your name and contact information, and all of us that are planners, goodness, wouldn't we offer a reward if we ever lost this and somebody would be kind enough to return it. It comes with this little booklet to tell you how it works. And so there's a whole introduction about the purpose of the planner and how to get the most out of it. Then table of contents, and you can see that there is just already, there's so much that this planner contains that I've seen, a thing or two here and there, but I've never seen all of these things together in one place, which is why I'm so excited. So I will kind of show you each of these pages as we are also looking at the blank pages in the planner, but you can see that the first step is awareness and self-discovery, to really think about what you want out of life and what's important to you. Then you look at your daily rituals and what you want your habits to be, what you are really going to focus on and keep front and center in your mind. You can see the emphasis on gratitude, daily affirmations, and then other things that are really important to you, reminders that will keep you going when times get tough. I recently made a video all about how to make your own vision board for 2021, but this planner has a few specific pages where you can also put notes or jot down some phrases or important things you want to accomplish. Then this is one of the things that I absolutely fell in love with. There is this space to really plan out what you want your life to look like 1 year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, or 20 years from now. Now you see here that you set your goals and dreams in 8 different categories: health and fitness, business and career, family and friends, relationships and romance, finance, personal development, fun and recreation, and your spiritual life. So I feel like this is a really holistic, just amazing approach to planning out every different aspect of our lives to make sure that we aren't forgetting anything and that we are really trying to live as well balanced and well-rounded a life as possible. Next up is goal setting, and there is space for making 1-year goals. It reminds you that your goals want to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. As a little side note, make sure and subscribe to this channel because my very next video is going to be all about how to set good goals and why SMART goals by themselves are still not enough. So you won't want to miss that. So we set our goals in each of these 8 different areas. And there is room to list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big goals within each category. So plenty of space to dream and aspire to incredible things. On top of 1-year goals, it gives you space for setting quarterly goals for the period of 3 months at a time. And what I love here is that it has space to clarify a reward that you're going to give yourself if you achieve it. And more importantly, really pinpointing the why behind what it is you're going after. You can see that there's room for 1, 2, and 3 quarterly goals at a time. Space for a mind map is really awesome for anybody that is more of a graphic or visual person, an artist. I am not. Let me know in the comments if you love to mind map, but I still think it's really handy to have blank space to just make notes to yourself or whatever you want to do here. So again, the planner is undated, but each month gives you space to take some notes, to really clarify your goals, to plan out things that are going to happen, and then more importantly, things you are going to do to make the month great. Skills and habits to learn, distractions to avoid, places to go, people to see, and one thing I always wanted to do. Next up is the entire reason that I went for this planner, and that is its monthly review spreadsheets. I have never seen anything like this, and I love that it has you really think about your wins, the insights that you might have learned from any perceived failures or difficulties, and then all of these ways that you can chart your success in the areas of health and fitness, business and career, family and friends, romance, personal development, finance, recreation, and spiritual. So there are inner circle lines from 1 all the way to 10. So you would rate yourself on these different areas. And then after looking at the completed chart, you can pinpoint the areas that might have been lacking and what you want to pay better attention to in the future. The next page of the monthly review really has you break down what you didn't get done, what you might have thought you would do and didn't get to, where you were an overachiever, or if something came up and why. You really think about how you feel about your progress, and you rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 for how you did overall. Then again, it's not just about analyzing what we did well or maybe did less well, but really thinking about how we are going to improve. One of many things that I love and think is so smart about this planner is that it has all of the 12 monthly pages up front at the beginning, so that you not only plan out each month, but then review each month, and then it can really help you set up your whole year and assess your month's progress before you even start thinking about breaking things down into the smaller component steps. One quick thing I want to mention is that even though this is a soft cover binding, you can see that it really lays flat and stays open pretty amazing. I only have a couple of pages turned down here, and normally the book would be perhaps closing on its own, but this really does a great job of laying flat. The weekly spreads then give you all 7 days on one page, but within each of these pages, you also have space to clarify the goal for the day, as well as your top 3 priorities that need to happen. And as I have talked about in this video, it is so important to be clear on what we are going to do every single day. So I love that this planner helps you focus on that. The second page of the weekly spread has you clarify your goal for the week, as well as your overarching priorities, things that you need to do for work versus your personal life, and then a way to track the habits or skills that you want to be doing on a daily basis. And I love this format. I love that you have this visual assessment to make sure you're staying on track. Here's a life balance to-do list in case you want to kind of brainstorm ways to improve those 6 areas of your life. Things that you're excited about, a place to doodle and maybe write important things, a place to reflect on your wins for the week, any lessons that you learned, and then just like you did for the month, a place to write how you plan to improve in the week ahead. Now again, there are 365 days worth in this planner, so it's really an amazing deal. Last but not least, you have these dot grid pages. There are 50 in this book, so there is so much room for doing all kinds of things. And as I've mentioned in prior videos, I use dot grid pages for things like time tracking and so much more. You can also see that it comes with 3 different colored ribbons to mark different places and keep track of where you are in this planner as you use it. Last but not least, check this out. The planner comes with a little pocket in the back so that you can keep important papers, and inside of that is a warranty card so that you can get a no-hassle refund within 60 days of your purchase if for any reason you're not happy with it, and then all of these pages of planning stickers so that you can fill out your planner and just really make it your own. There are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sheets of stickers with all kinds of things to just make your planner the best it can be. Let me know in the comments if you love using stickers in your planner. Is this not amazing? Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried this before, but seriously, I am just so excited to start using this. I feel like this is in so many ways the planner that I have always been looking for. For so often I have said that I can't seem to find everything that I want in one place. There are lots of features that I like about a lot of the different planners I have tried, but you know, there are other things that I felt were always lacking, and somehow, some way, it's like Clever Fox Planner Pro Planner has just compiled all of those amazing things into one place and made it so affordable, so beautiful, and just so functional. So I am a huge fan. Again, this video is not sponsored, but check out the links in the description so that you can get one of your own. Let me know in the comments if you are as obsessed with planning as I am and how many different planners you have tried. So that's my new favorite planner and the one that I will be using for 2021. I am so excited to jump into planning out my big goals and aspirations for the coming year. So on that note, make sure and check out these other videos to get some other big tips for making your dreams a reality. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you back next week. Have a great day.